Hello everyone. If you are using a Lenovo laptop and if you are observing that your display is getting dimmed away or going into sleep mode uh, in a short period of time, say around 30, 40 or 60 seconds, and even if your sleep setting or time is more and if you're observing that your display is getting dimmed away in a few seconds, then the setting which I'm showing might help you. So if you see in my laptop, I have set the screen off setting when it is plugged in as 5 minutes, and when it is on battery it is 3 minutes. Okay, but even after these settings, if you are observing that your display is getting dimmed away in 30, 40 or 60 seconds, then please check if you are having one application as Lenovo Vantage. So this is the application which is nowadays coming in Lenovo laptops, and when you will open this application, on the left hand side you will see there are different settings. Okay, so you have the home settings which will show all your Lenovo laptop details like your serial number, etc. So below this home you have one gear box here, a gear icon, which is the device settings. So just click on this. When you will click on this, a system will open different device settings like power, display, sound. So you have to go to the second setting, which is the display setting. In display setting, you have different settings here. So go to zero touch login. Sorry, not this one. Go to zero touch lock here, this setting. So this is the setting which is causing your display to fade away or dim when it is on. So what you have to do, if you have to check this, if it is on, just simply you have to switch it off. So this feature says that this feature will dim the display and or lock the device with modern standby mode when you move away from your device. This auto lock capability reduces both power consumption and the chances of unauthorized use when the device is left unattended. So this is a feature provided by Lenovo in their Lenovo Vantage app, so so as to reduce the power consumption and also the chances of unauthorized use when your device is left unattended. So if you are also facing this issue with your laptop, that your display is getting dimmed away, and if you don't want this, just switch it off. Thank you.